Good morning students. Today we will learn lesson number 5, Know the Mouse. In this lesson we will learn computer mouse, label the parts of a mouse, identify the mouse pointer on the screen and how to use the mouse. The mouse was initially known as the XY position indicator for a display system. It was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1963. Mouse is an input device which controls the mouse pointer. The arrow that moves on the monitor is called mouse pointer. You can see here this arrow is moving on the monitor. It is called mouse pointer. By moving the pointer on the mouse, you can select the item on the monitor. Any item on the monitor you can select by moving the mouse pointer. In this way you can select. Color will change. This is the selection. We can also use the mouse to play game, draw picture on a computer. You can play game, draw picture on a computer by using the mouse. You can see, I will open Paint program and I will show to you how to draw on a computer by using the mouse pointer. In this way you can draw picture by using the mouse. Okay, you can play game also in a computer by using this mouse pointer. Games are here. Different games are here. You can see these are the games you can play. Other you can install if you need. The first computer mouse was made up of wood and had 2 metal wheels. It was much larger than today's mouse. Rectangular in size, and it had only one small button in the top right corner. Today the mouse is still used on every desktop computer. You know, we are using in a desktop computer mouse. Without mouse you cannot select anything, you cannot play game and you cannot draw picture on a computer. Then we will see now mouse buttons. Look at this mouse. It has 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. One this button and second one this button and one is the scroll wheel. You can see it is the scroll wheel, it is the left mouse button and it is the right mouse button. This wire, it is called, this long wire which is attached to the CPU box. It is the mouse wire. How to hold the mouse? For holding the mouse, you have to keep your palm gently on it. Index finger is on left mouse button. Middle finger is on right mouse button. Thumb should be on one side and little and ring finger is on other side. In this way, you have to hold your mouse. Keep your palm gently on it. Thumb should be on one side, little and ring finger is on other side, index finger is on left mouse button and middle finger is on right mouse button. There are 4 parts of mouse. One is the left button, second one is the right button, third one is this mouse wire and fourth one is this scroll wheel. Scroll wheel we are using to move the page up and down. Okay students, these are the parts of mouse.